To access your DoorDash Paystubs, start by opening the Dasher app on your phone and logging into your account. Once logged in, look for the earnings icon at the bottom of your screen. This is typically a $ symbol in the bottom navigation menu. After tapping the earnings icon, you'll see your earnings screen showing your weekly earnings, account balance, and earnings history. To view your weekly pay stubs, make sure to select Weekly from the date selector at the top of the earnings screen. Tap on any specific week from the list to see a detailed breakdown of your pay stub for that period. To save or email your pay stubs, look for the Download or Share icon, typically located in the top right corner of the Paystub Details screen. Remember that pay stubs are typically available by Tuesday for the previous week, which runs from Monday to Sunday. This gives you quick access to your earnings information for record keeping and tax purposes. Your DoorDash pay stub contains several key components that make up your total earnings. Understanding each component helps you track your income and plan your dashing strategy. The total earnings shown at the top represents the sum of all your compensation for the week. This example shows $454.03 for the week of January 3rd to 9th. DoorDash Pay includes your base pay and any additional payments from DoorDash. Base pay is the guaranteed minimum amount you receive for each delivery, typically ranging from $2 to $10 depending on distance and complexity. Customer tips are shown as a separate line item. These are gratuities that customers add to their orders, either when placing the order or after delivery. Tips can significantly impact your total earnings. Let's look at how these components break down for individual deliveries. Each delivery shows the same structure: base pay, tips, and any additional payments. On the left, we see a single delivery totaling $7. This includes DoorDash base pay, customer tip, and DoorDash additional pay. The right shows a full Dash session with 3 deliveries totaling $25. Peak pay is additional compensation offered during busy periods. DoorDash adds extra money per delivery when demand is high in specific zones and time periods. This map shows peak pay zones with additional payments ranging from $1 to $2.50 per delivery. The pop-up shows a specific peak pay promotion offering $2.50 extra from 4 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Promotions include challenge bonuses and incentive payments. These are special offers that reward you for completing a certain number of deliveries within a specific time frame. This example shows a completed challenge where the Dasher earned $200 for completing 25 deliveries. These bonuses can significantly boost your weekly earnings. Adjustments appear when DoorDash makes corrections to your pay. This could include additional payments for long wait times, order cancellations, or other compensation adjustments. DoorDash retains your paystub history for 24 months within the app. This allows you to access previous weeks for tax purposes, expense tracking, and income verification whenever needed.